Hello?
Good morning, young man.
I told you about bloody Specsavers.
How are you doing?
All right, where are you?
I'm just outside where we dropped off last time.
Oh, you're ready?
Yeah, are you alright for that?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I've been waiting. I looked out and you weren't there. And I'll be there.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Come in.
See you in a bit.
He's a legend.
How's that feeling, alright?
Yeah. Oh, that's good. I thought about it afterwards, and like you say, I thought that it was 50-50. I mean, I looked and there was nothing there.
Yeah.
And I should have looked again straight away, but there's nothing there, so I can go.
Yeah.
But then you could see him come inside, and I couldn't.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, even where I was looking, he was blind for a lot of time as well. So
but
he was right tucked in our blind
tucked
spot.
in, wasn't it, I think?
Yeah.
That bag. Watford shirt.
You got a Watford shirt?
Yeah, my son bought it. But they must have a lot of players because I was registered as number 90.
90?
90.
Oh.
DJ White, 90.
Yeah. When did you get that?
Stephen bought it for my birthday.
Oh.
But he didn't give it me in the morning.
Yeah.
We waited till we went to Sunning Golf Club.
Yeah.
I said, well, I can't make that out. I said, because I only ever played for the reserves. I said, I never played for the first team. I tried to cover that. I said, I hope I didn't swear too much.
Oh, no, you're fine.
When you said you and your brother play for a church team, I thought, I did let it once or twice. I did let a couple go.
There's a load of roundabouts that we can just keep chucking around.
Look for the white vans.
To look for the white vans, yeah.
What's the name of your company?
Coach Carter.
Who?
Coach Carter.
Coach Carter.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Well, my surname's Carter, so so we'll turn left. Now, I've always been into the sport, so coach is a bit more of a relatable term than instructor. And then this roundabout will turn left.
Hey, look,
Hey.
snap! Oh, see, I thought you. What's your name then? I said, David John White. I said, oh, I said, most of the people they call me Chalky. So she said, oh.
Just keep it straight ahead. So. Do you recognise you? Do you recognise the name?
Well, she'd heard of it.
Yeah.
I kind of a feeling of endearment, you know. Sort of, I think, you know, Chalky White is. Look at that, missed that door.
Hey, nice, yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm not that bad, am I?
I want to get, now my son's come back, I want to get the L plates on mine and drive that as much as possible.
Yeah, yep. So this roundabout will just follow the road ahead. So this one splits into 2 lanes as well. So this one is, if you're going straight ahead, left is best for it. Well, it's good job you waited for him.
Trying to do everything right.
Yeah, no, it's good.
So that you said, well, you'd have passed me. I would desperately like to get a licence. Because I mean, it's unfair on my missus. And,
Yeah.
There are days when it feels really rough type of thing. drive. She doesn't take her tablets because they knock her out.
Right.
So it would be that's better.
Oh, so she either takes the tablets and can't and doesn't drive. Yeah. So if we can get you back on the roads, it'll help everyone.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know how long. I'll have a licence. It's chicken and the egg again.
Right.
You know.
And then the roundabout will turn right. Or you just try on this one when we exit, just coming up here. If you check this mirror, yeah, and then when that signal goes on,
That's when the white vans.
white van. That's going to be the that white van's going to live with you for the rest.
That bloody well will. Luckily, I'd retired then.
Turn right, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, right, yeah.
And luckily, I'd retired then.
Yeah.
And I used to pick him up from Crowthorne. Take him to Battle Hospital and then take him home again. 2 or 3 times I took him to Oxford.
So on that last roundabout, there was a little bit of hesitation. On that, do you remember?
Where there was, I didn't know
Yeah.
how speed, well, I did know, but I wasn't sure of the speed he was going to be.
Yeah. So generally, when they're coming from the left, you can crack
It's
on.
my right one,
Yeah.
yeah. I like you, Fraser.
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. I know, but the point of me being here, I guess, is to give you those little bits to.
You're a professional, dozy git.
No, you've got a lot more experience than I do. Should we turn left here? Strangely enough, my personality type isn't one that tells people what they're doing wrong all that often, so I'm more of a people pleaser, I think. So that's why I'm trying to chuck in a few things without kind of.
I've been assessing myself recently, you know.
Oh yeah.
I've tried to be a kind of hard man, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm bloody softy, really.
Yeah.
I failed umpteen bloody promotion panels, you know. I got sort of sucked up, and even Sunday, I could feel myself filling up, sort of thing. And when we used to the ATMs at the football club,
Yeah.
I could feel myself tearing up. We're here today for the Wokenham's 25th anniversary.
Yeah.
Left or right?
Yep. Left.
And I felt that on Sunday, and I felt myself filling up.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming.
Oh no.
Oh, you big tart.
It's nice to be human a little
And then
bit.
my son-in-law sat there and he said, John, he said, I think you ought to thank Janet and Jean, for arranging them. I thanked everybody for coming.
Yeah.
And so I think you ought to thank him. He said, so I thought, I tapped one of the glasses and said that, a little additive to what I just said, thanks Jean and Janet. I said, I didn't think women could keep secrets. I said, but those two did. He said, if you go up the shops, something like that, and what would have played at home? And last time they got bloody beat by Southampton. They drew with Southampton, and the next game they went, got beat 4-1.
Well, West Ham didn't do too well the other day against Arsenal.
No, there
Yeah.
is a word for it.
Yeah.
Beginning with C. I couldn't believe it. You know, I mean, just my head out the window.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lana.
Yeah.
Feel sorry for you.
So you know the windscreen wiper, if you push it up one or down one a little bit, there's like a little middle ground which will maybe down one more.
I think
And I think it should just every so often, yeah. Nice. Well, I feel like things are going pretty well.
You say that again slowly.
Oh, watch out! There's an extended pavement.
Well, you wouldn't want to bloody run on that. It's
Yeah.
worse than a path.
Yeah. So they've made that just for cyclists now.
Yeah.
So the road is just this narrow.
Yeah. My son's quite surprised at the size of the road.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the cars, because it used to bloody great big things out in Canada. When I took my test down in Devon, I mean, my old man, he had his cars out, they weren't taxed or insured, brakes didn't work properly
Yeah.
or something. So the instructor down there did what he called a refresher course
Okay.
of 4 lessons.
Yeah.
And that suited me, you know, because we've been between Salcombe and Hope Cove. And he used to sort of get one per other lesson with 3 people. One of them would drive to Salcombe.
Yeah.
He said, right, John, you can drive back to Kingsbridge as fast as you like,
Yeah.
because I was a good driver,
Yeah.
marvellous driver according to him. And then another one would drive from Kingsbridge back to Hope Cove. You know, so he got 3 people in a lesson.
Yeah.
Crafty swine, you know.
Yeah.
And and then when I passed, John White's a brilliant driver. You know, I taught him to drive.
Yeah.
Did he? Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
I was the worst bloody driver.
Yeah.
John White's terrible. They're taking it out here.
Yeah.
Right. Didn't indicate, got bloody wing mirrors on the road. Yeah, he didn't give any decision what he was going to do.
They should be alright with the white man on the roundabout with them wing mirrors. There's no blind spots for her.
I made sure there's no.
Yeah, no. Final thing for us, I'd say, for the rest of the time, would be the process we go through when we leave a roundabout. So at this roundabout we're going to turn right. So as soon as you pass that last exit that you're not going to take, so we'll turn right here. Yeah. And then a little check to the left. Yeah, and then a signal. Yeah. That's the examiner's bread and butter, that is.
Didn't look in the mirror, I don't watch the back.
That's fine, that's good though. Yeah.
I watched the white car.
Yep. That whole left, if you just check here, naturally you'll be looking at.
Well, yeah, I mean, it has sort of kicked me up my bum sort of thing, that band.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
So we're gonna turn right at this roundabout. So we're gonna try and do that left check when we need it and signal. Yeah. Yes. Love it. Yeah. That's it. That's exactly it. What we need. Happy with that? Yeah.
I'm happy that I've done it right. You're happy.
Oh, yeah. Looks like we're all happy.
I'm happy. You're happy. Everybody's happy. Oh, yeah, shocking. Yeah.
I guess if you put it into the context of the white van, it makes sense why that's a youthful
Well,
kind
I mean, yeah, I still got this in my mind that there was nothing there,
of. Yeah.
and I should have looked again as a security type of thing.
Yeah.
But, you know, all of a sudden the bloody van appeared.
Yep. So this roundabout will just follow the road ahead.
And you lose me head. Bloody mirrors.
Right. How did you find today then?
Well, I thought that last Monday was good, and I thought today was very good.
Yeah.
Rightly or wrongly.
I agree. I definitely agree. I feel like you don't have to.
No,
Honestly.
don't be.
You want to?
Don't be. How can you do that for nothing? I'm not sure. Are you brain dead?
Okay.
No, you don't have to.
Honestly,
Why did you think I didn't have to?
that's not what we signed up for. Happy
I
with...
haven't signed up for anything.
There we go then.
I
That's what I'm
asked-
saying.
I asked you to give me driving lessons.
Yeah.
Oh, not give me driving.
Yeah.
Give is not
Yeah,
quite
yeah.
the word. But yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
it might be more. I don't know. Do I more?
No.
That's 40 quid.
That's good. Thank you.
I've still got my faculties. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm 90 and I haven't got dementia or anything like that, Alzheimer's.
Yeah.
But there are certain words and names I can't remember.
Yeah.
But it comes on one of the reports from the doctors, you know, it has a slight delay.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I look at foreign footballers, that knocks me out.
Yeah.
I can't, I mean, who the bloody hell's that?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I used to know all the bloody footballers when there's English
Mm.
and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But, and I'm quite pleased in my own mind that, you know, I'm not
Yeah. Yeah, you should be. Honestly, it's
dozy bastard.
Yeah.
Excuse my French.
even so. One of the things is like, for me to be able to say, you know, this is what we're kind of aiming for roundabouts, and for you to just implement that is a real like
What's it
credit
called?
to you to be able to change, like, because you know, if you've been driving for so long and someone else says try and do this, it's hard to break through.
Right then, mate. I'll let
Alrighty.
you go.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff from the back.
Thank you very much that we did.
No problem.